Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix cannot type in search box on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix cannot type in search box on Windows 11 computer, from your keyboard press Windows key plus R. In run type C clone backslash Windows backslash system32 and then click on OK. In search here, in search box type CTF. Nope, this is the CTF mon. Just right click on CTF mon and click on show more options, then click on send to and select desktop and it will create a shortcut. Now close File Explorer and this is the CTF mon shortcut. Now again press Windows key plus R and here type shell clone common space startup, shell clone common startup and then click on OK. Now just drag shell common and drop it to this folder. Click on continue. Now you need to restart your computer. Close File Explorer. Now you need to restart the computer. Click on Start menu. Click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, you can easily type on search in Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.